Imagine a world where you can ditch the awkward fumbling for exact change and instantly settle up with a few taps on your phone. That's the magic of Venmo, a popular money transfer app that lets you send and receive money from friends, family, or even for small business transactions. But before you dive headfirst into the digital world of splitting rent payments and paying back your friend for concert tickets, a crucial question arises: how much moolah can you actually move around with Venmo? That's exactly what we're here to unpack today. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of Venmo's sending and receiving limits, explore how verification impacts your financial freedom on the app, and even touch upon some alternative solutions for larger transactions. So, buckle up and get ready to master the art of Venmo ing. The all-important limits: how much can you send and receive? All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Venmo, like most financial apps, operates with specific limits to ensure smooth operation and prevent, well, funny business. These limits depend on whether you've verified your identity on the platform. Unverified Venmo user? Buckle up. If you haven't gotten around to verifying your ID with Venmo, well, let's just say your financial wings are a bit clipped. Unverified accounts have a significantly lower sending limit, a mere $299.99 per week. That's right, for everything from that group dinner bill to reimbursing your roommate for groceries, you're capped at a total of $299.99 within a 7-day period. Receiving money also has limitations for unverified users, though it's a slightly higher limit of $999.99 per week. There's a catch, however: this receiving limit can fluctuate depending on Venmo's internal security checks. Verified Venmo user? Time to flex a little. Now, if you've gone through the quick and easy process of verifying your identity on Venmo, things open up considerably. Verified accounts enjoy a much more generous weekly sending limit, a whopping $60,000. That's a significant jump, allowing you to handle larger transactions and settle payments with more flexibility. However, there's a key distinction to make here. The $60,000 limit applies to the total amount you can send out over a week, but there might be additional caps on individual transactions depending on Venmo's security measures. Hold on, there's more: sending money to your bank account. Let's say you want to move money you received on Venmo into your actual bank account. Here, too, Venmo has limitations in place. Unverified users are restricted to transferring a maximum of $999.99 per week to their bank accounts, again subject to Venmo's security checks. Verified users have more breathing room, with a weekly transfer limit of $19,999.99 to their bank accounts. But remember, there's a per-transfer limit of $5,000. So, if you're looking to move a larger sum, you'll need to initiate multiple transfers. Beyond Venmo, alternative solutions for big transactions. While Venmo is fantastic for everyday transactions and splitting bills, it might not be the ideal solution for moving significant amounts of money. If you're dealing with larger sums, consider these alternatives. Bank transfers, a classic and secure option. Bank transfers allow you to move money directly between accounts. However, they can take a few business days to complete and might incur fees depending on your bank. Online bill pay. Many banks offer online bill pay services, which can be a convenient way to send larger payments directly to companies or individuals. Peer-to-peer payment apps with higher limits. There are other peer-to-peer payment apps available that cater to larger transactions. Be sure to research their specific limits and fees before diving in. Remember, verification is key. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of verifying your identity on Venmo. It's a straightforward process that significantly unlocks the app's potential. Not only will you enjoy higher sending and receiving limits, but it also strengthens the security of your account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.